Today we're going to be grateful for our back, our spine. That little spine that we don't think too much about supports our our posture, our body weight. It allows us to move the musculoskeletal system. If you didn't have healthy spinal health, you would have constant pain, probably on painkillers, maybe surgery. If you do have beautiful spinal health, or even if you don't right now, today we're going to close eyes and reflect on what the quality of our life would be. Feel deeply grateful that we have a spine that is working for us right now, and now move to action. What simple action points can I take to maintain my spine? Stretching, yoga, sleeping the right way, the food that I eat. Stress affects our spine because it affects our posture. What are the little things that I can do every day to look after the spine that I am so grateful for? Reflect, close your eyes, reflect deeply, deeply, and then be grateful for this amazing spine and look after it.